Hi, Shepherd here from Mfidie.com. Glad to have you here, and you can clearly see the FedEx box here. So I have a quick story to share before we even get to this box. A couple of weeks ago, a friend, Gizmo Hub, recommended to me that I join the Poco Enthusiast platform. By then, I didn't know Poco was independent from Xiaomi. I later found out. So I joined and I pitched why I should be a Poco enthusiast. Gizmo had already been sharing with me a lot of the Poco devices. So I was like, okay, let me just get into it. I filled the form on the Poco community forum. By the way, you can download that app. And I was selected to be part of the enthusiast. 3 days ago, I got this from FedEx. I was called that there was a package for me. So I was very excited because I knew it was something from Poco, and my correspondent didn't tell me exactly what device it was. So up till then, up till 3 days ago, I didn't know what to expect. But yeah, there's the package, and then I'm going to open it and show you what's in it, then we can get going. So yeah, we have this here. The package is actually very big, but what's inside is small. I don't know if you can see. So it's the Poco F3 right here, and it has Shepherd on it. So we're just going to unbox this, a very quick unboxing, and we're going to do other videos about this. But for now, I just want us to, I'm very excited about this. I just want to see what's in it, and then yeah, we can go on from there. Great, let's turn the device on and see what it has to offer. In the meanwhile, there is this very beautiful banner from Kevin Key, the head of POCO Global, and it's thanking us for choosing Poco. It says, "Hello, you have onboarded the Poco's mission of everything you need, nothing you don't," and it encourages us to enjoy the journey. I'm sure with MIUI King-to-1, I'm going to really enjoy this phone. Also in the box, you have the charger here. That's actually a fast charger to ensure that the phone charges very fast. We might do a charging test to see how long it charges to 100% later on. And then we also have the USB-C to USB-A that you can use in addition to this charger. Great. I'm just going to set up, and wow, there is Hausa here, but well, I'm just going to go for English, US English. So straight away, you can feel that this is a premium touch device, and for the kind of price it's going to, you have a very premium feel to this device. On top here, you can see that the screen is a 120Hz 6.67 AMOLED display, and you can really feel it when you look at what's going on the screen. Everything seems to load very fast. You see the refresh rate to be very smooth, and oh my god, this is so great. Another thing that I think you can really look at is how the pictures come up, right? If I should turn on the camera right now, you can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos, you can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I should put this on portrait and try to take just some very few photos. You can see how so good the camera is. And if I very beautiful photos here. So with this device, the Snapdragon 870 with a 120 Hz display, make sure that you're going to enjoy every bit of it. You look down here and there is a speaker, and up here there is the infrared there is the infrared blaster with some other sensors. And I'm just going to step out right now and try to take some very few photos and videos with it, and then later I'll talk about why you need to really get this device for yourself. So why should you get the Poco F3? Why should you bother to buy it at all? And I can tell you that there are a lot of reasons why you should get this device right here. The first one being the processing speed. The device is very fast to use. It comes with the Snapdragon 870, which is a flagship mobile platform processor, and there is 12% improvement over the Snapdragon 865. So you know, if you're playing games with this device, you're going to enjoy higher frame rates and you're going to enjoy it in a very good speed. Also, when you look at the screen of the device, it is very smooth to use, up to 120 Hz of refresh. And you can see all of the smooth transitions. The screen has 1300 nits peak brightness with about 5 billion to 1 contrast ratio. This means that when you're looking at it, even in sunlight, the screen is very bright. You don't see dark spots like you see in other phones. Then you come to the design of the phone. Wow, like everyone loves to hold a phone. You go around and people ask you, what phone is this? The Poco F3 is that kind of device. So it is 7.8 millimeters thin. And what's amazing about that is that it has a battery capacity of up to 4,520 mAh. So this thin device is able to pack in this big battery. And you know what's nice? It's not heavy at all. Officially weighing in at 196 grams. So this is a device that can fit in your pocket and you don't feel like you're carrying a bag of cement along. Very interesting to have. Then about the camera. So the camera is actually very interesting. You have the normal photo mode, you have HDR, you have the AI, you have the portrait, and then it can record videos of up to 4K in 30 frames per second. You can also enjoy 60 frames per second at 1080p, and it has more features like the movie frame. And like if you get this camera, and I'm sure you can see some of the footages of photos that I've taken with this camera right now, and it's looking so clean and so nice. So yeah, just enjoy some reels of the camera and look at this video I took with the camera where you can listen to the audio that the microphone of this phone produces. Just listen to it. So this is a test video right now. I'm recording both audio and video, and I'm just trying to zoom in, and you can see how far it's able to zoom in. Hi Alfred. Yep. So it's very sunny here, yeah, and I'm recording this on the Poco F3. I came around to shoot, and this seems good. I'm not very sure about the audio, but when I'm putting this on, I'm sure the audio is going to sound very fine. Yeah, and you have the option to record what's in front and behind you at the same time. So you can just record what's in front of you and also what's behind you. Nice. So then the question is, how much does this wonderful device cost? Guess what? It's not very expensive for the features and the quality that you get in here. So for the base, which is 6 gig and of RAM and 128 gigabytes of space, it's going for 2,000 cedis. And then for the upper level, which is 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of space, it's going for 2,500 cedis. If you're looking for how to buy this device right in Ghana, I'm going to include some links below that you can use to get it. Make sure you get yourself one and join the Poco community. Enjoy this wonderful phone. The F3 is a real beast.